Hey guys, MD95TSI. How's everyone doing today? Hopefully everyone's having a good day. I appreciate all you guys' support and everything that's been going on. It's crazy, but I promise we'll get through all this. So I have a mail call today. I actually have two mail calls. This one I did a mail call video on earlier, but then I got another mail call, so then I just went ahead and combined them. But okay, I want to show you what these are. These are beautiful. So there's 4 of these in the package here, and these were sent to me by Captcook, my big brother Neil. Look at these guys. Is that not awesome or not? Wow, look at the finish on them things. Man, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I'm going to put them on this, so oh, they look good on there. Look, and they actually match my antennas that I got that Mr. Crowley sent me. Awesome, look at that, guys. That's beautiful. Thank you, big brother. Man, I'm really gonna enjoy these motors. He said he messaged me last week, said something coming purple. I thought it was maybe some purple haze or something, but no, I'm kidding. So there's 4 motors down in there, as you can see. So awesome, awesome, awesome. And they come wrapped in this paper here, ADK Fly. They are 2205 2500 kV motors. They are gonna rip balls. So Neil, thank you so much, brother. This one is Brian messaged me the other day and said I'm gonna send you something. I wonder what Brian sent in here. Brian as in True Drone Reviews, guys. And check out his channel, Brian True Drone Reviews. And then this package here was from Captcook. You guys know Captcook? If not, let me show you Captcook. Wow! Right there. That's my big brother, if you guys don't know. We do the together. So, yep. Alright, so let's get in here and see what Brian has sent MD. Interesting. Let's see. Oh, a box of foam. Awesome. I was wanting some foam, Brian. I've been needing some of this, man, in case I fall down and my head starts shaking. I can put it on the side or something. Y'all know OG didn't send no foam. He won't send no foam. I'm gonna unwrap this and kind of like, oh, it feels kind of crazy. What y'all think it might be? I'm try to keep the foam over it. I'm gonna try to put you over here for a second and see. Oh my goodness. What? Sweet. Oh wow. No way. Guys, check this out. You guys ready for this? Bam! Look at that. Holy cow. Thank you, TDR. Brian, OG. Wow, check that out. That is nice. So I was kidding. I actually knew what was in the box. This is a GoPro 2018 that is now a GoPro Hero Black. So yes, very, very nice. Brian, I really appreciate you, because this will help me out on my channel to make much better videos. So, wow, thank you so much. You give me the mounts for it too. Check that out, the charging cable. Sweet. Oh yeah, it did have a different cable, so I'm glad you sent that, because I don't have that cable. Nice. You must have known that. Thank you so much, brother. Wow, that's beautiful. I had to turn it on. How's it turn it on? Are you gonna press and hold it? Oh, no. Look at that. Hero 5. Black. Nice. Awesome. Check that out. That is sweet. Thank you so much, Brian. I really appreciate you, brother. And I'm gonna really, really, really enjoy using this. It's got Pro Tune. It's got all kind of stuff. Cool. So I'll check it all out. So thank you guys for watching. The motors. Let's get the motors. Look at the motors. 4 of them bad boys. Nice. Thank you so much, big brother, Captcook. I will definitely, build something. Well, we're going to build ours together, I believe, on that. So, all right. Thank you guys for watching again.